what's going on? My name is Kevin Morales. This is Underground Production, and today we're gonna do a bike check on my Motobecane Phantom Cross Uno. So, this is it. Most of the parts are pretty stock. Let's see what I did change. Selle Italia seat that I got for like 15 bucks from one of my old coworkers. I have these all around my bike. I wouldn't say it's necessarily part of the bike, but they're super helpful. Got one right here, another one down here to keep my phone just held there. And I put a couple more wraps of handlebar wrap on there. So it came with already wrapped. It was a little bit beat up, so I grabbed like a cheap roll off of Amazon, wrapped it, and then this little bit nicer roll with like some design on it, and wrapped that on top. So it's a really thick feel on the hand. Instead of being like making like a whole fist, you're kind of like this. And my bar tape, or the tape holding the bar together, is all messed up because I dropped it and stuff. My bad. I'm super stuffed because I just rode this here. Let me try to blow my nose off real quick. It's not rocket for y'all. Alright, there we go. Now I shouldn't be sneezing too much. So the frame is a Motobecane Phantom Cross Uno, as you can see. I bought it off of the Facebook Marketplace for like $100. The seat post was seized on there, and she couldn't adjust it, so it wasn't really her size anymore. But all I did was took like a big pry bar and a big pipe wrench and just broke it out of there. It's got like cyclocross type brakes, and it came with super skinny like 25 C tires, or 25 C tires, but I switched it to these Surly Nards 700 by 41C instead. They are super fat. Like, I had to get a new chain because when it was on the fixed gear side it would work, but there was hardly any clearance here, and with the bigger freewheel it was just rubbing. It was just on the frame. I couldn't even get it to spin or anything. And then right here as well, there's hardly any clearance right there. So as soon as the wheel goes untrue, it starts to like rub a little bit, but it's such a comfortable ride that it really doesn't bother me. In the front, same kind of deal, but not as bad. And these pedals I got off of Amazon for like $30. They're really smooth. They're reserviceable. Like, you could just put your Allen wrench in there and open them up, fix them if you needed to. And this water bottle came on here, but it was baby blue when I got it, so I just rattle canned it silver and red to kind of match this. And I think that's all that I've done to the bike, really. I just got my phone up here telling me how far I've gone. And yeah, that is it. But it is dirty. It is dirty everywhere you look at it, because we are in Seattle and it just rains a bunch here. I'm sorry, Zach Gallardo. You'd be like, that's proof we actually use it. It's such a fun ride too. I need new brake pads for the front. I already have them, but I need to install them because it kind of like grinds a little bit. We are at West Crest Park. Beautiful day. The frame is like a 54, I think. Yeah, it's a 54 centimeter frame. Perfect size for me. It's got the stock drop down handlebars, and also I added these little ones. That's one thing I forgot to say. It's just super convenient when you're on the trails and not trying to be all the way up here to just hit these ones. But that is it, my Motobecane Phantom Cross Uno. Single speed. I do ride it fixed sometimes, but I have to swap the chain back.